Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I am explaining the trigonometric values, the proofs of trigonometric values. Already in my previous video I given the table how to remember all values from 0 to 90 degrees. Now I will explain how we get that values. So first of all I will explain all the trigonometric values for 60 degrees. Means sin 60 how much, cos 60, tan 60, sec 60, cosec 60 and cot 60. Okay, now I will explain the trigonometric values of all values of 60 degrees. So for 60 degrees we have a triangle, equilateral triangle you should choose. You should choose an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all angles are 60 degrees. Yes, we know very well about this. All angles are 60 degrees. And all sides are equal. So make it all sides will be some A. Okay. So I want to make a right angle triangle to find the values of sine cos. So I want to draw a perpendicular line from vertex. So this is called median and also perpendicular. This in an equilateral triangle, this line is called perpendicular line is also called median, and median is also called perpendicular line. So it is a median, so automatically the length of this from here to here will be half of this side, that is A by 2. And we know very well about the height of equilateral triangle formula. Height of equilateral, the formula of height of equilateral formula is root 3 by 2 into side. So this is the formula you need to remember. So the value of height is root 3 by 2A. Now we know very well about the formulas of sine. Sin 60 means sine formula opposite side by hypotenuse. So for this triangle A, B, C, D. In this triangle, what is the triangle name? ABD. Which you use triangle ABD. In this triangle, this is a 60 degrees. So for 60 degrees, this is called opposite side, and this is called hypotenuse, and this is called adjacent side. So now opposite side, what is the opposite side here? Root 3 by 2A by hypotenuse is A. So both are cancelled. So what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Clear everyone? Easy? Now like that, cos 60 value. Cos 60, what is the formula of cos 60? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side of the triangle is A by 2. So A by 2 by, what is the hypotenuse? Is also A. So both are cancelled. Your answer is 1 by 2. Cos 60 answer is 1 by 2. Next, tan. Tan 60. What is the formula of tan 60? Opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the adjacent side and opposite side in this? Root 3 by 2 is opposite side. Adjacent side is 1A by 2. So both A cancel and also 2 will be cancelled. So your answer is root 3. So these are the values of sin 60, cos 60 and tan 60. With the help of this we can find the remaining. So the reciprocal of sin is cosec. So that's why cosec 60 value will be 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of cos is sec. Sec 60 is equal to 2 by 1. Nothing but 2. Reciprocal of cos. Then the reciprocal of tan will be cot. Cot 60 value. Reciprocal of root 3, it becomes 1 by root. Clear? Very easy. So in my next video I will explain how to get the trigonometric values of 30 degrees, 45 degrees and also 90 degrees and 0 degrees. So please watch my videos for more. Please subscribe to my channel also. Thank you everyone.